In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications. Receiving notifications right on your desktop can help you stay on top of important updates, tasks, or any changes happening in your workflow without missing a beat. It's a handy feature that keeps you in the loop, especially during busy workdays. Firstly, let's start by heading over to your project board. For this demonstration, we're using a common project management tool, Trello, but these steps can often apply to similar platforms with slight adjustments. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to your Trello board. It looks like a large space with columns and cards that help keep tasks organized. Once you're there, ensure you're logged in to access all your personal settings. Next, you'll want to locate the profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen, symbolized by either your picture or initial, depending on whether you've uploaded a profile photo. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with different options related to your account settings and preferences. In the drop-down menu, you should see a settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you have a variety of customizable features that can tailor your Trello experience to better suit your needs. Here, you can tweak different elements of your account, but today we're zooming in on notifications. Now, let's focus on enabling desktop notifications. As you scroll through your settings, keep an eye out for the notification settings. This is where you will manage how and when you receive alerts from Trello. Look for an option that says Allow Desktop Notifications, which might also appear as a checkbox or toggle switch. Once located, go ahead and click to enable this feature. You may be prompted by your browser to confirm or allow the permission to show notifications on your desktop. Ensure to agree to this as well, as it's an essential step to finalize the setup. With desktop notifications now enabled, you will receive pop-up alerts whenever there's new activity that requires your attention. It's important to note that desktop notifications can usually be customized further within your browser settings, allowing you to choose how prominently these notifications appear, or if you want sound alerts to accompany them. You can explore these options in your browser settings menu if you wish to tailor them even more to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications, ensuring that you won't miss out on any important updates. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if needed, and play around with the settings until they fit perfectly into your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.